In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Grok AI images in seconds. Whether you're an artist seeking inspiration or simply exploring the digital creative world, Grok AI provides an exciting platform for accessing groundbreaking images. Let's dive into it step by step. First, let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. This is the simplest and most reliable way to navigate to the right platform, as you can easily search for the specific site you need. Just open a new tab, type in Google, and hit enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll see a search bar right in the middle of your screen. In this bar, type in the word Grok. It's short and sweet, making it easy to remember. As you type, Google will likely present you with a few suggestions or autocomplete options. Simply press enter or select the Grok option when it appears in your search results. After you've executed the search, take a glance at the results page. You'll want to locate the official Grok website. The link usually appears prominently right at the top of the search results. Click on this link to get redirected to their main page. Often, it's a good idea to ensure you're navigating to the correct page by checking the URL for grok.com, which will take you to where you need to be. Once you're on the Grok homepage, you'll find a menu option labeled Imagine. Go ahead and click on this. The Imagine section is where Grok showcases its variety of free images. This vast collection is there for you to browse and explore, providing a multitude of visuals to suit different preferences and needs. Now that you're in the image gallery, take your time to scroll through the images. When you find an image you'd like to download, simply click on it. This action will expand the image, offering you a closer look and presenting more options at the bottom of the image page. All right, now that you're admiring your chosen image, the final step is to download it. Look for a download icon, which is usually represented by a downward-facing arrow somewhere on the page. Clicking this icon will initiate the download process, and the image will be saved directly to your device, ready for you to use as you please. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded an image from Grok AI in just a matter of seconds. This feature-rich platform offers vast creativity in abundant resources, making it an excellent choice for anyone vested in digital arts. Enjoy exploring the endless possibilities and happy creating.